Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts using bread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 slices of day-old bread, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 egg. We'll also need some oil for frying, about 3 to 4 cups. Having your bread slightly stale helps it absorb the liquids better, creating a softer donut. This method is a fantastic way to repurpose bread. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's get to shaping. First, trim off the crust from your bread slices. Then, using a rolling pin, flatten each slice until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, take a round cookie cutter, ideally about 2.5 inches in diameter, and cut out your donut shapes. For the classic donut hole, use a smaller cutter, around 3/4 of an inch, in the center of each piece. You can even fry the holes. With your donuts shaped, it's time for the magic. Frying. Heat your cooking oil in a deep pan to exactly 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once fried, transfer them to a wire rack to drain excess oil. While they cool slightly, whisk together powdered sugar and a little milk for a quick glaze. Now for the fun part, toppings. You can roll your warm donuts in cinnamon sugar, drizzle them with melted chocolate, or even add some colorful sprinkles. Get creative and make them your own. These bread donuts are best enjoyed fresh and warm, perhaps with a cup of coffee or tea. They are a delightful treat that's surprisingly easy to make. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade bread donuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.